Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, we dey on Jackass Hill. And I take a walk. Go to my restaurant. The restaurant I eat at the restaurant 7, 8 days a week. So you must know that I do it every day. Carney country style cooking. I go find out how I go on in the restaurant and make you know. Better people on camera. Welcome back my viewers and subscribers. I'm in a Carney country style restaurant. You know who we have here? We have the beautiful, the prettiest, the nicest girl in the restaurant. Tell me something, my friend. What's Carney country restaurant is like? What it's all about? Talk up the thing with me here. I need to know. What the restaurant? The first time you get to talk about your nice, beautiful restaurant, you duck and hide and do all these things.
They just phone for the spot, sir.
Sure. You have to dip on the spot, man. So I have one idea. How was the day sale? When you sell off everything when you cook and I come here, I notice I have nothing to eat.
Yeah, because job finished.
Oh, you mean it finished?
The rice finished, the rice is
But I know 3 o'clock yet. Oh, food we done already.
You know.
So you want to say today a Friday and food done from 2 o'clock? And the whole of Center Mass, all of Morant, they look towards this one restaurant here. Talk up the things and talk to me. How long you know the business here? I do restaurant business.
I'm good while now.
Good while, like 10 years, 5 years?
From the two open.
From the 2 open, that's how long that?
The August I come and make 5 years since it opened.
5 years you're there. I know say Center Mass people they love no food on Friday. Everybody get paid.
Not everybody.
But most and they want them food on Friday. And food done from 2 o'clock, big soup in a can't get one. Chef of the serve for me and give me a bowl of soup, a cup of soup, you know. Pat bottom.
And I just give one fried chicken wing.
And you serve for me and give me a chicken wing.
Never been a super video like bad things there.
So your mother chef run so now. Come in mother chef, come join the thing because from 1 o'clock we're there. We not get nothing. We not get nothing. And we want to know where we're going. We are talk up the things. And we not talk nobody. We come here from, we can't get no food. Food don't sell out from 2 o'clock. We come here from 2 o'clock, no food not there. And nobody can give me no experience. Food not supposed to sell out for early, mother chef.
So why?
Normally every restaurant in a Center Mass, they don't sell out till 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock a evening.
Well, it is so fortunate that the food is so good it can't stay in the shop.
Till 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock just gone, you know.
We can't know about it, the food just cook off
And sell off already.
Yeah.
What is man? What is man?
Even 10 minutes, yeah.
What is man? So, but there, my friend, I'm in a Carney country style restaurant and food sell off from 2 o'clock on a Friday. Well, no normal. Normally, at 6, 7 o'clock, I can come here, so come here, say, look at food left in the pot. So, I want to know what the secret, what I go on in this restaurant. Right? Everybody in the Center Mass want to eat at this restaurant.
I love Indian garden there.
You know, say, I feel so true you have something to do with it.
No, sir, I love Anka.
You know, say, from me discover you in this restaurant. This restaurant has sourced to new heights.
And you can't let me?
Yeah, I wonder for time on the time around here. That me I wonder, you know.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you? What's your name?
Danny.
And what you have to say about the cooking in Carney country style restaurant?
Fucking good, doesn't it?
Eh? You eat her every day? Eh? Don't eat her no more. You never get no more food here as of today. Alright? Yeah?
What
no
is
more
he
food.
saying?
So you to that my viewers and
Feel
stuff.
better?
I'm here in the restaurant. And give me the proper name of the restaurant.
It's Carney's Country Style Cook Shop.
Carney country style cook shop. I don't have a phone number in case I want to call and sometimes I'm lazy if I come up here. I don't remember the number.
It's very easy to remember. 5755994. Very, very easy. 5755994.
I wait there again. Right
across the park on Jackass Hill.
You see
can't
that?
miss it.
Mother chef people. Mother chef I tell talk up the things about the restaurant.
Mother chef.
We call her mother chef because she look like she had the head cook and back wash around here. So right now people.
The top chef the top chef the day, the top chef the there here now.
Yeah, okay.
Because me mother chef, but the top chef, she not here.
She not here.
Yeah, she the business name of a party.
Okay, but right now me I tell you the truth, you see. Me never normally come here so. I'm minutes after 3 now. Me I let you crowd in here. Today's a Friday the 13th.
And you realize I come, nobody not there.
No food, no nothing. That not supposed to happen.
Again.
No, that not supposed to happen.
Yeah, man,
You know what restaurant in a Morant there still have food pan them fire and all them something when they done cook for all 1 o'clock. Sell off and everything. Is that lucky there?
One of them too. It look like Friday the 13th, me love to me.
Yes, Friday the 13th. Some of viewers I go outside. Come in the restaurant and I go outside and make on take a close-up look on the shop. You see it? The shop located up on Jackass Hill. You see the little board shop here? See the flowers them there? See the flowers at the front of the shop there? When we go at the side of the shop, this is a shop here. This is a shop here. This is a cook shop here. A sample. See it there? The little board shop sell off people. But I don't want to believe it or not. Everything in it sell off from 2 o'clock. Big super can't get no food. And right now I tell you the truth. Me vex. Me vex my viewers and so. Me vex. Because me there and me can't get no food to eat. And it's the next pot of rice I put on. In the restaurant here. And me not see why this is one restaurant here should have done cook already.
10 past 1.
10 past 1 I ain't have no food no there for you. Yo.
Right in there, woman, change, you know.
Yeah, man, that's alright.
Big soup, how you
The
do?
third part time when you know the end of
Yes.
Easy, bro.
Easy for what?
When I go on, go.
The man hungry, the man come out in food, the man get him.
The man mad, you wanna get him. The man mad, you want good food and the man and
I bought me that soup, because I had that soup. All the soup can't have it. She tell me, let's have a look on the house and about.
The man crazy, man mad and
No
no
man
man.
hear nothing.
No talk, more than want him soup. Don't have to give him something, not for give him something.
So,
Give him a leg, give him a wing. The man come for him soup.
You don't want nothing.
Tell me that.
Want a food?
What you want?
And I say no one nothing, I just say soup
And soup
you want.
and you want.
I mean I know what them carrying soup though.
Give me that soup for them there.
The man forget him soup, man. The man a loyal, man. A loyal customer.
So what are you, sir?
Yeah,
Say your soup, share.
yeah.
But
Alright,
you know
alright.
what? You see when them carry the soup, them and somebody else see them with the soup, they just buy the
Oh, when
soup.
me name right from my soup,
Them know see the name
Go on, hold them man
man.
with G.
Alright, me Jenna, blessings. But then at the restaurant, people. And I can see some finally get the food here. And me start to eat the food already. Me not tell no lie. At the #1 restaurant in St. Thomas. Yeah, man. Where's that? The food nice?
Yes, I enjoy the chicken and the rice and beef.
Every day you eat here?
Not really, but a lot of time.
You drink all the soup here too?
Of course.
Okay. I want to make sure that I enjoy my food and here. Yeah, man, so the young lady here, she have to deliver lunches. Alright, have yourself a great day now. Bye-bye. Yeah, give them a candy. Yeah, man, have yourself a wonderful day and I hope you enjoy your meal.
Thank you, same to you.
Alright.